Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. I got this Bose from one of the subscriber. His name is Rishu. So he is from Uttar Pradesh. So the problem here is battery backup. So he sent this to me here in Bangalore. So these are the earbuds, Bose SoundSports free. So he said he will keep one paper here because the case is draining. So you can see there is a paper here. Both sides he has kept because the earbuds battery is bad. Because of that it is sucking the battery's voltage from the case, so the case voltage is going down very oftenly. So what we are going to do is like we are going to replace the battery of these two earbuds. So you can see as this rubber is oxidized, so the rubber buttons are gone already. So this is looking fine, but still this is oxidized. You can see the cracks are there. So we have to give heat over here. After heat we have to take out this plastic part, then this will come out. This rubber might fall because this has already oxidized, so we have to give heat over here. So I am going to show you the battery replacement of one of the earbuds. The other one I will do offline. So let's do it for the right side. So I am going to give heat over here so that we can take out this part. We can replace the battery. Battery will be there, motherboard will be there. There will be flex cable which is very tiny. So while tearing this down you may end up breaking the flex cable. So be careful while referring this video. Alright. So in case if you have this type of earbuds, you can send it to me here in Bangalore. I have given you the WhatsApp number here. You can contact me and send these earbuds, this type of earbuds to me, so that I can replace the batteries for you if you find it difficult to replace. Actually this is challenging, little bit of expertise. So alright, let me start replacing the battery. There is a big chances of tearing this rubber down. I mean the falling of this rubber because this is oxidized. This is silicon rubber, I guess. So alright, let me give some heat and come back so that I can take this off in front of the camera. So I have given the heat over here. I'm just going to try to pry this. This is a bit challenging because as you can see it's very hard here. This has pasted very hardly here. So taking this down is pretty difficult. You can see how strong the glue is. So alright, finally I have taken out the cover. There is very mild damage to this rubber, so this much it will happen because it is oxidized. Alright, now I am going to keep this part. This is the cover here. Without any damage this has come out. So we have to remove this glue here. Later I will remove. So now the time is to take out the glue here of the flux cable. There is a flux cable here, showing you in the close-up. So this I have to cut. So alright, you can see now flux cable is removed. Now further the motherboard is locked using this yellow plastic here. So this plastic has to be removed, and this we have to remove here. You can see. So it can be removed by just cutting like this. That's it. Now we have to remove this. This can be removed using blade as well, but make sure that you are not going to harm the PCB. So like this we have to remove. You can see. Now simply we have to pry the motherboard. It will come out. You can see this is the bad oxidized rubber. This will go off because it is oxidized. Now simply by prying like this, the motherboard should come out like this. So this is the look of the battery. You can see the battery. This is the battery. This is a bit bulged here. That is the reason it is not working. So let me replace this battery with this new battery. So this is the new battery which I am going to use. This will be approximately 50 to 60 mAh. So this is fresh battery, and this is first quality battery. This is the one of the best batteries available in the market here. This is very rare to get actually. So alright, now I am going to take out this. You can see the red wire here. This is the positive connected to this motherboard here, and the negative one is directly connected to the PCB here. So removing this is again a challenging part because the battery is pasted to the board and the terminal is in the board. So while removing we may end up breaking this here, the negative lead point. So plus we can remove because it is soldered using the wire. So I am going to simply lift the wire here, and I am going to take out the wire. So simply by keeping this, you can see the positive is removed here. So now I am going to take out the battery, and as well as I am going to give some heat here, but before that I am going to apply little bit of thinner, which will loosen the glue which is pasted behind this battery. So very mild thinner I am going to use. That's it. So now it's time to take out the battery. Showing in the video is difficult, but still I will try here. Now you can see I'm just going to, that's it. By giving heat over this terminal and slowly pulling the battery, it will come. Otherwise it will pull the terminal here, then in that case it will be damaged motherboard. So alright, this battery I have taken out. Now it's time to install the fresh battery. So plus will go to plus here and minus will go to minus here. Then I have to paste the battery in this place itself. So I will do that and come back. Now you can see the red wire is soldered and the black wire is soldered negative. So battery has been fixed. Just I have to apply the glue and I will paste it here. Now I have pasted the battery as well. Now it's time to simply close it. Make sure you are going to put these 4 pins touching to these points here. Internally there are coated points. So still it needs to be positioned properly. Now I have positioned the motherboard here. I'm just going to close the flux cable. That's it. So flux cable I have closed. Now before closing this I wanted to test this. So let me check this out using the charging case. I'm just going to remove the wire which is kept by the subscriber. So I'm just keeping this here. So it is started charging, you can see. So once if I take this out, light should glow here. That means it is started working. So now I am going to lift the earbuds here, this side, right side bud. So light should start glowing here. As you can see, white light is blinking. That means this has started working. So the battery condition will be 100 out of 100. So already I am going to place the housing here just by keeping like this. I wanted to clean this part, then I will apply T7000 glue here, then we will close the earbud of this right side. Now I have cleaned this part. Now I am going to use this T7000 glue here so that we can close this case here. So let me do that and come back. So I have pasted this and it started working perfectly. See, keep this earbud inside the charging case so that it starts charging. Just I wanted to check it. I want to take this out so that the white light should come here. As you can see, now this is perfectly working. So similarly I am going to replace the battery of this side and I will come back. Now this is the left side. You can see the light is started blinking already. I have applied the paste in the cup here, the housing. So I am going to simply close this. That's it. This has been placed. Now I am going to show you the charging functionality of this here as well. You can see once I keep this like this, so it will start blinking here. The right side is already fully charged. Left side, just now I have replaced the battery. Usually new batteries will be of about 75-80% charged, so it will take some time to fully charge. Now I am just going to connect these earbuds to my smart device and I am going to show you the working functionality for a few seconds, or maybe 4-5 seconds. That's it. So then we can wind up the video. If you have anything like this, if you want me to replace the batteries, just please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am from Bangalore. You can send it through speed post. It will be very cheap. You can do the proper replacement, battery replacement. So I have little bit of expertise in this. You can send it to me. I am going to take this out so that it will go to pairing mode. The blue light should come here. Both lights are blinking. You can see here white light and white light, both sides. Showing you in the close-up. Both lights are blinking. So once the right side one, it goes to blue color, it is pairing mode, then it will start listing here. Now you can see the blue light is blinking here, this side. Now if I refresh, it will come. You can see now it has come Bose earbuds. So I'm just clicking that. It will pair now. Yes, it is accessing. It is asking for the access to your contacts and call history. I'm just clicking. So you can see it is 100%. I'm just focusing now. It is almost 100%. So this is connected. Now I'm going to play the song and show you the quick audio demo. So song is playing now. So this is one side and this is one side. So both sides started working, and the battery percentage you can see here, it is showing 100% now. Here you can see, I'm showing you in the close-up, battery is 100%. So the Bose SoundSports Free is perfectly working now, and it is charging now because we have used little bit, so it will take some time to fully charge. So this belongs to Prakar Mishra from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. So thank you in believing me and sending this. This has been completely fixed, and I'm going to send him back tomorrow. So if you have anything like this, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I can replace this behalf of you. So I hope you like the video. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.